Um, where's,
What song?
crap, what's it called?
Give me my iPod and I'll tell you. Was it Mr. Dean?
It wasn't me.
Oh, here. Just look up It Wasn't on my iPod.
How do I do this?
Here, give me my iPod. Hand it to me.
Here, I can probably find it. You know what? You better do it.
Yeah, I probably should. Here.
Yeah.
Don't take the earphones out. Alright, so yeah. It's bright!
Brian, you were sick.
I'm sorry, that was me screaming.
Hi.
You're mean.
Hi. Check out my balls. I'm just kidding.
You don't have any, remember?
I know. Yes. Hi.
Saying I'm losing you.
Right. Everybody lady call me red-handed, sleeping with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both got naked, live on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that she will ransom me all this time? She was sending that she never took her eyes off me.
Man, I can't see you. It's like too dark. It's already 8:30.